Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a bunny in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you are the best uns but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la la.
How's it going? I can't remember the Saturday's date, but this happened probably a couple of years ago. At least, minimum. Yeah. I actually changed the lock on at my house. Yeah. I put a new lock in. Yeah. And this is the lock. Came off my back door. I changed it because of my mum and my sister. Because we had like a dispute. So I decided to change the lock. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. I will get a magnet in a minute to then I know if it's steel or stainless. So let me go and get a magnet and I'll be back with you in a second. This is why I microwave, so it just technically got magnetic, but sometimes some steel can be on it and it could crack through, so yeah. So let's all go at taking the screws out. Beware of any, if you do this, just to make sure, you've got to be careful of unlocking doors, because sometimes people have got the tools and equipment, but sometimes you have to be careful if you did it for a mate of yours, and you helped him, like, you know, get through doors and blah blah blah, and then that screw just gone inside. This didn't come out when I unlock it. There's that door, sometimes you can undo a door by, you know, unscrewing it. But if you want to do it right, you've got to get a proper door kit. So I'm going to take the first bit off. So that's steel. Yeah. That might be better. Yep, there's a bit alley there. Yeah. Some bits just coming out on it now, so another bit alley. That's got to be a bearing in it. Yeah, a steel bearing. What's it making, isn't it? The locket sign is Ali. But the handbrake might be stainless, so that. So there's some screws inside there. That's, yeah, I think there's just one screw in, I think. Let's see, you can see in a minute if I constantly keep unscrewing it. Yeah, you want screw in, so it's got to be. So that's a bit of stainless. And you just have to unscrew it from that, so that's a bit alley. Take a little bit off if I can. Go to a lock, the thing where it goes like that into your neck. So that's got to be stainless or a bit alley. I'll put that bit of stainless because it's got quite a fair bit of weight. Bit of steel. A bit of screw down, that's alley. Some 3 bits of alley. It looks like some copper wires just hanging out of there. See if it'll come off. There you got a bit of copper wire inside. That's it. A little bit length. One bit there. That would have been the door handle. So a bit of stainless. Got one bit of alley up. Got a bit of alley there. What was it, alley? That's stainless. So that will be another part of your door. One bit more. And the spring, yeah, that's got to be steel. Yep. So that's steel. So it's simple like that. I'll shut this and it goes automatic go onto itself, if I can get it right. No. It went on but it bounced off of it. That's how fast it is. Yes, I missed the tool bag and all, if you might have noticed. So that's it really. Just a handful of alley. A handful of stainless. Yeah. And like a handful of steel and screws. So guys, just want to say I thank you very much to you, and I'll catch you on another video, and that's it from me. It's a bye from me, it's a goodbye from you. See you later.